And did you see Litecoin? Man, it's going up.
Nice.
Hello, welcome to Barry Bros Cryptos. We're back with DigiKing22.
Hey guys, back for another farming video. All right, starting here off on Spirit Swap. I know a lot of people lost faith. There was a crash due to some FUD people threw out from competing platforms. Some other platforms launching onto Phantom. People jumped ship to get better ROIs, but they lost out because we hopped in at the bottom, 47 cents, went into some staking, easily doubled my money, 212% APR on the staking pool for Spirit. I'm gonna compound my 39 spirits. I did have 705 spirit to harvest, and it's been about 8 hours since my last harvest, so I think that was about $575 total in 8 hours. I'm in about 4 different farms on Spirit now. I got Spirit FTM. I think I have about 17,000 in, or maybe 16,000 in the Spirit FTM farm. So 200 spirit earned in the last 8 hours. All right, 200 spirit. Next one up, Ice FTM. Still have about almost $40,000 in this farm. 310 spirit in about 8 hours. Not bad.
Nice.
And we will harvest. Cha-ching! Sushi FTM. I think I have about $7,000 at 266 APR. 44 spirit in 8 hours. Harvest. Last one we got on Spirit. Curve FTM. I jumped into this one. I like the price point we have on Curve right now, and with these APRs, I couldn't pass it up. About $12,000 in this farm right now. So on the big dip to 47 cents, I purchased another $5,000 in Spirit, which got me about 10,000 spirit, and I added them to the staking pool because I'm trying to get full exposure to Spirit on its rebound back up, and I've just been adding my harvest to the Spirit pool ever since. So I'll be adding another 676.9 Spirit to the staking pool, and I think Spirit price could be moving up even further. The audit could be a catalyst for that. The audit is on the 16th of May, so in about 10 days, if their audit goes well, then I think people have a little more faith in the project, and token price could be going up. So I'm at almost 12,000 spirit staked now, so let's continue adding those up. Over on Popsicle Finance, the Popsicle stand. Price still around 456, and in the last 8 hours, another 50 ice to harvest, $230. I've just been compounding these into my ice FTM farm on Spirit, so I'm gonna continue that. I have about over 66,000 still in the farm over here.
Nice.
With a daily ROI of 0.76%, which is still really good. But over here on Spirit, we have a little bit higher, I think, right now. So yeah, 1.07. So about 0.3% higher over here on Spirit right now. So I'm going to continue adding liquidity to that farm. Already have a ton of FTM ready to go. So we're just gonna supply the 50 ice and get some more LP tokens.
49,000 Phantom just sitting in there. Nice.
You know, just in case I need
For
it.
full exposure. Yeah, and full exposure.
Yeah, I gotta get full exposure to Phantom. You always want to have in whatever coin network you're staking on, you kind of want to have a big bag on the side just in case to average in on LP tokens to get full exposure to the actual network token. So hey guys, over here on 11 Finance, over on the BSC farming, we got 11 BNB. Got $12,000 staking, about 56.38, 11 tokens to harvest. That's about $314. So let's harvest that. And 11 just added a bunch of new vaults and farms to their site. They partnered up with
the whole entire vault.
Yeah, they added all the vault swaps. So if you're not familiar with Vault Swap, watch our last video. And my brother goes through his farm on Vault Swap. All right, so that's the only one I'm in over here. I just like to get exposure to the 11 token. I think the price is still pretty cheap on that one for how much they do over here. They're updating their site constantly. They added Bigfoot, leverage yield farming. So I think they're doing big things over here, and I'm continue farming until they
their UI. Oh, I like that they put the UI like in one place instead of before, like how you had to move over like the tokens.
Yeah. Before it was kind of a jumbled mess because you had to hop in a vault just to get your LP tokens for the actual farm. But now that you don't have to do that anymore, it's actually a lot better. And I kind of like that you can choose like Pancake, and it shows all the Pancake swap ones, all the Popsicle ones. You can kind of filter it by platform. But next one up, we're going to do wheat. I'm just in the Cake vault on this one. APY is a little bit down because price went down, but it always recovers. This one kind of fluctuates a lot, so I'll probably just harvest my wheat and wait till the price goes up a little bit and before I do anything with those. So 27.5 wheat, $344. Got almost $26,000 of cake in the Cake pool. And if you look at the ROIs on this one, it is 0.31 wheat and 0.12 cake. So you're getting the wheat, but you're also getting cake compounded into your vault. So I think since I've gotten maybe, I don't know, almost 20 cake. So a decent amount, maybe like $400 in cake, but the wheat is where the main returns are in this one. So harvest that. And that's another 345. Pancake Bunny. Let's go. I've actually not looked at this one in a few days. So Cake auto compounding pool. Look at that. Oh, 5.9 cake and 0.74 bunny. That's actually pretty good. All right, so let's claim that.
And
$26,000 in cake in that pool. 103% APY for Cake and 116 for bunny, and 5.95 cake, about $220, and 0.7 bunny. All right, so another 234 in bunny on that one. So not bad. Another 500 almost to add to the profits today. And over to BNB, I got another 0.26 BNB and 0.57 bunny. So we'll claim that. So I got 700 berry staking. I did sell some on a hike up in price a little bit back, but still have 700 staking and 7.59 earned. Let's harvest those. And last one I think I'm going to do today is Horizon. All right, so I have about 22.96 in staking and 10.9 to harvest. My stop is Pancake Swap. Go over to Pancake, and here we go. I just harvested this morning, or I harvested 23 cake today so far. That's $861. Another $106 in cake. Another 31 Horizon from the 220 I already harvested this morning. So I'll probably wait to harvest that till later. Let's check out the farms though. Looks like APRs are down a little bit on cake. There's just so much money in cake right now that it's hard for them to keep the APRs high, but still 207 is pretty good. Daily 0.56, so that's not bad. Let's harvest that cake. Check out the chart real quick and see what we're looking at. Cake. So it looks like we're in the trading range right now. We're kind of more towards the middle or bottom of the trading range, so I'll probably wait to sell my cake at least above $40. If we break 42, we might be going for all-time highs on cake, so might just be holding on to those harvests for a bit and see what happens with cake price in the short term. but I will sell my bunny for now. That's another $4.39, and my ELA I will also sell. And you can just see it racking up here. BUSD. Let's throw our Ellie in there. I mean, just for you guys today, maybe I will just trade everything into BUSD just so you can witness the dollars racking up. We don't like dollars, but you always need some on the side just in case of any significant dips you want to jump into. Like on Spirit the other day, 47-cent Spirit, I hopped in at. All right, just racking in those dollars, and 4,500. So I think that was about $2,000 in the last day on my BSC farms. And then on Spirit, I think, or in my FTM farms, I think it was maybe more than $2,000 because I harvested about 1,500 on Spirit in the last day and another like 700 on Popsicle FTM farm. So well over $4,000 for the day, and I'm just gonna keep it up, and can't get much better than this.